does go up that way. It looks like a lot of people have crossed here, but then the channel has changed so much. It'd be neat to find an old spearhead in here, or arrowheads. Boy, this is really carved around this rock. Holy cow. Nice little place to take a swim here. What's really cool about this place is you can be hiking in the summer and it can be blistering hot, but it's cool down in this valley, and you can go swimming anytime you just get overheated. You want to get in, enjoy it. Lots of fishing in here. I don't know what the fishing's like anymore, but it was fun when I was a little kid, that's for sure.